Right, question 1 then. It says a total of 45 councillors make up the Planning, Finance and Education committees for local council. Some of the councillors sit on 2 of these committees. No councillor sits on all 3 committees. 2 councillors sit on both the Planning Committee and Education Committee. There are 18 councillors on the Education Committee. Complete the Venn diagram. So in this case here, I think, of course, with a Venn diagram, we always have to work from the centre outwards, right? Now, of course, they've given us information here already filled in, but the centre is what's important to me to start with, okay? If you read here, it says no councillor sits on all 3 committees. So all 3 committees, Planning, Finance and Education, would be at this centre here, okay? So none of them do, so we can leave that blank, nothing goes in there, right? If you want, you can shade it like this to show nothing goes in there. All right, so we've dealt with that there, okay. It then says 2 councillors sit on both the Planning Committee and Education Committee. So here's Planning, here's Education. 2 sit on both of them, so the overlap of Planning and Education is here, okay. The overlap of Planning and Education is here. 2 sit on both of them. Now, nothing's going to go here, all right, because we know they don't sit on all 3. We're going to have 2 there, okay, 2 for both planning and education, okay, so that part is ticked there. It says then there are 18 councillors on the education committee. Now if we look at the education committee, the education circle, we've got 2 here, 10 here, none here. In total in this circle we want 18. So with 2 and 10 that makes 12, so we've got 6 left over for the education. Complete the Venn diagram means that we need to have something in here as well, okay? Now, in order to work out what goes here, you can see that there are 45 councillors in total, right? So if we add up what we've got so far, we've got 2 plus 10 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6. So you add up all of them there, okay? That comes to 12, 18, 30, 36. So we've got 36 so far. In terms of what's left from 45, there's going to be 9. Okay, how many councillors then, it says then part B, how many councillors sit on both the planning and finance committees? Okay, now to answer part B, you just go to your Venn diagram. How many sit on both the planning and finance? Well, it's where the planning and finance overlap, so it's here. We've got 6. Okay, part C, one of these 45 councillors is chosen at random. What is the probability that this councillor is on the planning committee? Okay, so if he's on the planning committee, it could count for that person there, right? So there's 9 people there, so it could be that one. But it could also count for these people here, okay? Because they're also on the planning committee. All those 2 there, they're also on the planning committee, okay? The fact that there's 2 there just shows that that particular person is all, those particular people are also on education as well. So in total, in terms of planning, you've got 9 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, which is 17. So you've got 17 people on the planning. Probability will be 17 then out of 45. So there's your answer.